In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a header in Microsoft Word. Headers are a simple but powerful feature that can instantly make your document look more organized and professional. A header is the area at the very top of each page where you can place important information, such as a document title, page numbers, dates, or other identifying details. Whether you are creating a report, an essay, or a business document, adding a header helps maintain consistency across every page. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document. Once your document is ready, move to the top of the screen and click on the Insert tab in the ribbon. In the Header and Footer group, you will see an option labeled Header. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear showing several built-in header designs. These preset styles range from simple blank headers to more decorative formats like banded or other structured layouts. Select the style that best matches the look you want, and it will automatically be inserted at the top of your page. After selecting a style, the header section will open and your cursor will appear inside it. You can now type any text you would like to include. This text can be formatted just like the rest of your document. Simply use the Home tab to adjust the font style, size, color, or alignment. You can center the text, align it to the left or right, or apply any formatting that suits your document's design. If you prefer to create a header without using a preset design, click on Header again and choose Edit Header. This will open a blank header area, giving you full control to design it exactly the way you want. You can type your content and format it freely without any pre-applied styling. When you are finished editing your header, click Close Header and Footer in the ribbon. Alternatively, you can double-click anywhere outside the header area to return to your main document. If your document requires different headers on different pages, stay in the header editing mode and go to the Header and Footer tab. There, you can select Different First Page to create a unique header for the first page. You can also use section breaks to apply different headers to different sections of your document. Adding a header improves organization and gives your document a polished, professional appearance, whether for academic, personal, or business use. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.